What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's maybe it's Mimi. We back again with another video. Like, what's up? So basically, I am about to go get my freaking hair did by 90s Tokyo on Instagram. I will leave his Instagram right here, so make sure you guys go check him out. I'm about to just basically transform myself into the bad bitch that I am.
Here you go.
Because let me tell y'all, it is my birthday week, and you know your girl gotta look good, okay? So this is a hair company off Amazon called Arabella Hair. This company sent me a 13x6 lace front human hair straight wig. The density of this hair was 150. The inch of this hair is 22 inches, and also the frontal came basically, you know, pre-plugged. And also another good thing about this wig is that they have clips going around the wig, top, left, bottom, and also right. So after applying the cap to my head, he went in with the Got2b glue gel and basically was applying it to my head, and then he also went in with the Got2b spray and was spraying around, you know, the perimeter of my front where the lace is gonna lay down. And then he begins to blow dry, and this process is very, very important because you want to make sure that, you know, the cap is completely laid down so that the frontal, of course, can lay down as well. So next he goes in with the powder that matches my skin color the best and applies it around the cap, and this is the really good like powder, y'all. Like, it was giving me scalp, like, what's up? And basically he goes in and starts basically wiping off, I said basically like how many times? He goes in and starts wiping off the excess powder that has, you know, touched my skin. And so he does that so, you know, whenever he's about to lay down the hair, it can look like, you know, really smooth. The next step, he goes on ahead and adds tape to both sides of the cap. And honestly, this is like my first time seeing somebody do this. I didn't ask him why he, you know, did that. I should have did, because this is really, you know, interesting. And he goes back in and adds, like, you know, another coat of glue, and then look at his ass. And after that, he applies the wig to my head. And let me tell y'all, this blended in so freaking good, and especially the powder that he put on the cap also made it look good.
Edit that part out.
So now it is time to pluck the hairline, and you know the hairline is very, very important, and it's always good to pluck the hairline because it gives it a natural look. Even though the hairline already came pre-plucked, you know, we have to go in there and do, you know, some touches here and there. As you guys can see, I'm giving you scalp. Like, what freaking frontal, okay? What frontal? So now this is like one of the most exciting parts, is the baby hair girl. Baby hairs are like our life, you know. So he begins taking his comb and basically like, you know, getting out the pieces of hair that he wants to cut up and, you know, make those as the baby hairs. And different. Hold on, hold the camera. Get him a view. Wait. Get him a view.
Let me show y'all. Yeah. Here you go.